Welcome back, friends! Today, I'm sharing 14 Christmas flower arrangements, each designed to capture a different feeling of the season. From soft and romantic bouquets to modern, rustic, and playful styles, these ideas are meant to inspire your holiday table, whether you're decorating in a traditional way or trying something a little different this season. This isn't about following one decorating look or trend. It's about seeing how Christmas centerpieces can reflect the way you live, gather, and celebrate at home. Some of these designs feel quiet and elegant, while others are cozy, festive, or a little whimsical. To me, all of them reflect the spirit of Christmas beautifully. So, grab a warm beverage and get cozy, and let's look at some Christmas floral arrangements together. This modern farmhouse Christmas centerpiece brings together the cozy charm of natural materials and the clean lines that make this style so timeless. The look blends warm wood tones with soft winter greenery, creating a foundation that's calm and casual. Matte black accents add a touch of contrast, while white candles keep everything feeling fresh and bright. A few simple ornaments in muted tones, along with subtle natural elements like pine cones, introduce just the right amount of seasonal detail without overwhelming the table. The whole arrangement feels relaxed and balanced, with that classic farmhouse mood that works beautifully in both casual and more polished spaces. It's the kind of centerpiece that brings a warm, welcoming glow to the room and feels effortless in the best way, understated, cozy, and perfect for the holiday season. This traditional red and green Christmas centerpiece brings that classic holiday feeling we all know and love. The rich evergreens set a beautiful foundation, full of texture and depth, while bright red accents add cheerful color that instantly feels festive. Soft touches of gold or brass bring in a gentle glow, giving the arrangement a timeless warmth without taking away from the simplicity of the palette. Red berries, seasonal florals, and a few well-placed ornaments create a look that's both familiar and elegant. Candles add a welcoming light that softens the whole display and makes it feel right at home on a dining table or sideboard. This is the kind of centerpiece that's both fresh and timeless, with those classic Christmas colors coming together in a way that's warm, cozy, and beautifully traditional. This glam, gold, and white Christmas centerpiece is all about creating a bright, elegant holiday moment that's polished and elegant. Soft white florals and winter greenery form a gentle base, giving the arrangement a light, airy look. Gold accents bring in a beautiful shimmer. The metallic ornaments and slender candle holders add a warm glow that's festive and glamorous. The mix of warm metallics and crisp whites creates a sophisticated contrast that catches the light in such a lovely way, especially in the evening. Subtle textures like glass and brushed metal help the whole piece feel layered and refined. The overall effect is clean, radiant, and quietly luxurious, making it a centerpiece that elevates the room while still blending easily with a wide range of holiday decor styles. This woodland rustic Christmas centerpiece brings a warm, nature-inspired presence to the table. It's built around earthy textures and simple, natural elements that create a grounded look. Soft evergreens, cedar, and a few sprigs of pine add natural movement, while pine cones and small pieces of birch or wood slices introduce a forest in winter character. The colors are warm and understated, browns, greens, and soft neutrals that blend together naturally. Candles and metallic touches add a hint of glow, giving the whole arrangement a soft light without taking away from its simplicity. This style is peaceful and organic, like bringing a little bit of the outdoors in. It's a centerpiece that makes the room feel cozy and beautifully connected to the season. This Scandinavian minimalist Christmas centerpiece brings a clean, modern touch to the season. The vessel stays simple and understated, something with soft texture or light wood that reflects the natural, uncomplicated look that Scandinavian design is known for. The arrangement is intentionally kept smaller in scale, so it can sit comfortably on a coffee table, console table, or side surface without feeling overly styled. Seeded eucalyptus is layered within the tray, with a few sprigs drifting over the front edge to give the piece a relaxed, organic line. White ranunculus adds a soft winter detail that pairs nicely with the warm candlelight. Each element is given space, keeping the whole centerpiece open, calm, and visually balanced. It adds a refined seasonal moment to the room, quiet, warm, and beautifully modern. This coastal Christmas centerpiece brings a beach-inspired approach to the holidays, blending cool winter tones with warm, gentle lighting. Candles and mini lights create a warm glow that contrasts beautifully with the soft blues and frosted greens. The greenery is low and layered, giving the tray a clean structure that lets the coastal details stand out. Soft blue ornaments, light aqua sea glass pieces, and sections of smooth driftwood add the coastal character in a way that still suits a winter setting. Twinkle lights woven through the greenery add a warm highlight, especially in a dimmer room, and the mix of textures keeps the whole arrangement visually interesting. Altogether, the mix of soft blues, frosted greens, and warm light creates a peaceful coastal mood that works beautifully throughout the winter season. This vintage-inspired Christmas centerpiece brings a nostalgic glow to the room with its mix of textured greenery and shimmering metallic finishes. The greenery is low and structured, giving the mercury glass and gold ornaments plenty of space to shine. The antique brass candlesticks are spaced through the arrangement, and the reflection of the candle flames from the brass and mercury glass brings out an elegant sparkle. The ribbon woven through the greenery adds a subtle vintage touch, tying the different textures and tones together. The mix of frosted sprigs, warm metallics, and candlelight creates a charming, old-world holiday mood that works beautifully on a dining table, console, or sideboard. It's a centerpiece that brings a soft glow to the space and introduces classic Christmas character in a refined way. This cottagecore Christmas centerpiece is soft and romantic, perfect for a cozy holiday setting. The cream ceramic vessel adds a vintage touch, and the palette is light and wintry, with white ranunculus, blush garden roses, and small clusters of waxflower. Eucalyptus and cedar are kept low so the florals remain the focal point, and the berry branches add a bit of height and a natural, graceful shape. A delicate lace ribbon is woven through the greenery, adding a simple cottage detail that ties the look together. The overall look is soft, slightly whimsical, and well-suited to a room that leans toward lighter colors and subtle textures. It brings a quiet, pretty moment to the space and works beautifully for the holiday season. This modern boho Christmas centerpiece brings together the natural textures and warm tones that make this laid-back style perfect if you like a casual holiday look. The low ceramic bowl sets a simple foundation, and the cedar layered around the base gives the arrangement its soft winter character. Dried hydrangea adds an earthy detail, and the taupe ornaments keep the color palette calm and cohesive. Amber votives give a gentle glow that's warm and seasonal with the perfect amount of light. A few eucalyptus sprigs and a short strand of wooden beads add those small boho touches that make the arrangement feel collected and personal. The overall look blends the ease of boho styling with the warmth of Christmas, creating a centerpiece that brings a cozy and relaxed mood to any room. This Christmas centerpiece brings together simple shapes and soft winter textures for a look that's modern and elegant. Gold-colored glass trees are the heart of the arrangement. Their color is light and warm, and the soft glow from nearby lighting brings out the gentle shimmer in the glass. Around the base, the pine sprigs keep everything grounded and seasonal without adding too much weight. White berry branches bring in a clean winter detail, and the matte white ornaments add a subtle brightness that ties the whole palette together. Each piece has its own place, giving the arrangement a balanced, structured look that still feels easy and natural. It works beautifully on a console table, coffee table, or even the center of a dining table. The overall style blends a modern touch with classic Christmas greenery, creating a centerpiece that's both soft and polished. This jewel-tone Christmas centerpiece brings a bold, dramatic look to the table. The deep charcoal vessel sets the stage for the rich colors layered throughout the arrangement. The ruby garden roses, sapphire anemones, and burgundy ranunculus create a strong, saturated palette, and the emerald magnolia leaves add a glossy contrast that gives the whole piece structure. The greenery stays low and full, which helps anchor the brighter florals and ties everything together. Ornaments in deep green and ruby are tucked into the greenery, adding a nod to the holiday. The overall look is lush and bold, as well as seasonal, with enough depth to stand out in a dining room or living room. It's a centerpiece that brings real presence to the table and adds a rich, festive mood to the space during the holidays. This frosted winter white centerpiece has a soft, romantic look that suits a quiet holiday evening. A white vessel gives the arrangement a clean foundation, and the mix of white ranunculus, roses, and hydrangea creates a gentle, layered texture. Dusty miller and cedar bring in that cool winter tone, giving the arrangement depth while keeping it light. Small silver ornaments and a thin ribbon add a touch of subtle sparkle when it catches the light. The palette is simple, white, pale green, and silver, so the arrangement blends easily with other winter decor. It works beautifully in a dimly lit room, especially near soft Christmas lights or a warm evening glow. It's the kind of centerpiece that brings a quiet elegance to the room and adds a soft, refined touch to your holiday decorating. This Nutcracker ballet-inspired centerpiece brings a soft, romantic touch to holiday decorating. The blush pink vessel sets a delicate tone, and the mix of blush garden roses, white ranunculus, and pale pink spray roses creates a pretty, layered arrangement. The greenery stays low with light eucalyptus and soft cedar, which keeps the palette gentle and lets the florals take the lead. A thin gold ribbon adds a small shimmer, just enough to echo the elegance of the ballet. A small gold nutcracker figurine sits beside the arrangement, giving a sweet nod to the story without making the design feel too themed. In a dimly lit room, the whole arrangement takes on a warm, graceful glow. It's a quiet, charming way to bring a bit of the nutcracker spirit into your home at Christmas. This video features 2 Christmas centerpieces inspired by the pets we share our lives with. The dog-themed arrangement features a shallow forest green tray filled with cedar, pine, and bright winter greenery. Soft white florals, cranberry red ornaments, and a woven ribbon add color, while the pet bone ornaments and small ceramic dog figurine add a playful touch. The cat-themed version is softer and more delicate, arranged in a matte white tray with eucalyptus, cedar, and white berry branches. White ranunculus and pale blush roses add a romantic note, and the blush and champagne ornaments give it a gentle winter glow. Cat figurines are nestled within the greenery to create a sweet nod to our feline friends. Both centerpieces are simple and pretty ways to include the pets we love in our holiday decorating. I hope these Christmas floral arrangements gave you some fresh ideas for decorating your home this season. Flowers have a way of bringing warmth and meaning to Christmas, whether your style is simple, classic, or a little more expressive. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support my work here. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I wish you a very Merry Christmas.